So this is my homebrew setup I built a number of years ago, and I'm making a milk stout today. It's a really good winter beer, and I'll serve it on a nitrogen faucet. So it'll have a really, you know, that really big head that takes a while to build up. Roasted, some chocolate malt, that's the darker things, and then you'll see the flaked grains. There's oats and flaked barley in this, as well as a base malt of just 2-row barley from England. I'm going for like 151 degrees Fahrenheit for this particular beer.
You smell it?
You can smell it and see it, and it has really good coffee flavor. So, and most brewers like coffee. They're not drinking beer. Here's to you, and happy celebrating.